This is a platform known as SoundCloud. So for you to get to SoundCloud, you just go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and dial in this keyword known as soundcloud.com, and you'll be taken to this interface. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Basi Ejwaji. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner wherever you are in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with your mobile phone or with a laptop just by listening to music in 2024. So this is a platform known as SoundCloud. SoundCloud is a musical platform where you can come to listen to music and where artists upload their music also. So these are a lot of musics that are available on this platform that is known as SoundCloud. If you are using an Android phone, you can get their app on the Google Play Store. Just by clicking on this app, you get access to their app on Google Play Store. Make sure you download the real app. So this is one of the platforms you'll be needing, that is SoundCloud. So that is just one of the platforms that you will be needing. As you can see here, there are a lot of musics, and there are also trending musics that are available on this platform that is known as SoundCloud. You don't need to sign in on this platform, just follow my lead to the end of this video. So I'm going to take you to a platform that pays you money just by listening to this music. So what you do is open a new tab. You open a new tab and dial in this keyword known as ref.com. Ref.com. Right, ref.com, and you allow it to load. So this is a platform known as ref.com. So let's allow it to load. This is a new era of productivity is here. So now, this platform known as ref.com is a platform that helps you work smarter. You help capture audio from anywhere, put the inside and matter, and protect your content in all places. Now let me show you something about this ref.com. I want to show you something that is very, very unique about ref.com, and this platform can help you earn money just by listening to music. And what is about this platform is that it is a transcription platform. As you can see here, it's a transcription platform. So let me show you something. What you just do is scroll down to the end of this app. Just scroll down. So this is the downside. I want to show you something. So what you just do is you click on freelancers. This is the freelancer. My phone is hooking, God. So you click on freelancers. This is freelancer. You click on freelancer and you allow it to open, and this platform will help you to make money. So let's allow it to open. So as you can see, it says ref freelance. Jobs let you work from anywhere. It says you can earn money by transcribing, captioning, or subtitling videos from anywhere and anytime. It says create a flexible work schedule. It says you can choose from hundreds of jobs and you get paid weekly from PayPal. And I believe they also have other platforms in which you can also earn your money. So you can see here. So they say currently they are not accepting applications from my location actually, but if you are watching this video, as I'm a Nigerian, so they say they are not accepting applications from Nigeria currently. So if you are watching this video from another area, then if you are watching this video from another country, then watch to the end. So you can see the kind of amount they pay. See, they pay from $0.30 to $1.0 as a transcription is, and they also pay as a caption. I can get $0.54 to $1 as a transcriptionist. So now this is a platform known as ref.com. So I'm going to show you another platform that helps you earn money as just by listening to music. So open a new tab and we dial in this keyword known as GoTranscript. GoTranscript. I will allow you to open GoTranscript. Let's allow it to open. So this is GoTranscript. You click on the first link. Says this is also a platform that helps gives you transcription. So what you just have to do too is to scroll down to the end of this block of this website. So just scroll down to the end. Just scroll to the end of this website. Keep scrolling to the end of this website. Just have to scroll to the end. So this is the end of the website. What you just have to do is to click on work. So let's check for work. So let's check for the works that are available here on this platform. So let's click here. So you say for transcription, as you can see here, they say work. So what you just have to do is to click on this transcription. As you can see, they say work. So you click on the and you allow it to open. So this is a platform that allows transcription jobs available worldwide. So whether you're a Nigerian, whether you are from anywhere in the world, this particular platform known as GoTranscript works for you. Unlike rev.com that doesn't allow applicants from my own community or from my own region, that is Nigeria. So they say they pay for competitive rate for online transcription jobs. Say GoTranscript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. We're always looking to fill our open freelance transcription jobs so that it can help grow that team. So as you can see here, if you transcribe per audio or video minute, you can see how much you will be able to earn when you transcribe a video or an audio per minute. That is $0.60. If you continue at the end of the month, you are sure of earning an average of $450 per month, and you are sure of earning $1,215 per year. So as you can see here, this is GoTranscript. It works everywhere in the world. So what you just have to do on this platform is to click on apply now, and you sign up as a transcriptionist on this platform known as GoTranscript. Now let me show you a platform now that will help you transcribe these videos and audio. That means you don't have to manually do them. Let's hold on to open a new tab. Please, if you are watching this video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you will get updates like this, and so that you also encourage me to continue dropping videos like this. So you dial in this keyword known as GoTranscript. So this platform will transcribe these videos for you automatically. GoTranscript, and you allow it to open. So this platform is GoTranscript. It says it's a HTML5 app that take the pain out of transcribing interviews. So you can say it's a free web to take the pain out of transcribing recorded audios. So you can say it works only on desktop computers only. So now this platform will help you transcribe audios, help you transcribe videos for as many that you want. But the only limitation about this platform is that at times this platform will tend to give you error in some of the transcription, some of the words. There will be error in the spelling. Now what you just have to do is, you don't also need to manually type or correct this word. What you just have to do is to copy. It's just to copy. Now as you can see, it says start transcribing. What you need to do is to go back to your SoundCloud. And these are musics that are available on SoundCloud. So if you click on any of this music now, for example, and it starts and it open, all what you just have to do is to click on copy. This GoTranscript here. So when you copy the music, you take it to GoTranscript, and GoTranscript will help you transcribe the audio that is in the music, will help you transcribe the music. If it is a video, will help you transcribe the video for you. And if there's any error in the typing, what you just have to go to do is to go to a website known as Grammarly on the screen, as you can see here. Grammarly is a website that helps correct grammar, just like the name sounds. It helps you correct your written English. So what that app is going to do is that any error in the transcription from GoTranscript, Grammarly will help you correct the error, and your work will be clean. And when you take it back to GoTranscript or rev.com, you will be able to earn. So that is how you can earn money on SoundCloud, just by listening to music in 2024. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. Drop a comment down if you need help on how you can also go about it. I will guide you step by step, and I will hold you by hand on how you can go about it. Don't forget to also invite your friends to watch my video, and until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.